morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply honored and humbled to introduce to you continuing members of the NCRA Board of Directors and to conduct the installation of our new board members and officers. First, our continuing directors. Director Kimmy George. For the last 28 years, Kimmy has been a freelance reporter, currently owns her own firm, and has a love for court reporting students as well. Kimmy is married with 2 grown sons, and her new pride and joy is her first grandbaby, Indigo Jane, born last November. Director Sarah Nagin. Sarah has been an official reporter for 12 and a half years in Ohio and Pennsylvania. She enjoys watching and participating in numerous sporting activities, as well as spending time and traveling with her husband Ron and 16-year-old daughter Taylor. Director Mark Renzi. This is very special for me because Mark is like a son to me, and I'm so proud to see you on this stage this morning and for me to have the honor to install you. Court reporting is a second career for Mark. His college education and original vocation was as a flight instructor and airline pilot. In 1993, he made the decision to enter court reporting school. But what excites him the most, and above all else, is coming home at the end of each day to his 3 little girls who smile, scream, "Daddy," and wrap their little arms around him. Director Tammy Shedd. Tammy has been reporting for 32 years, 27 of which she has worked in the captioning business. Tammy and her husband of 28 years have 2 grown sons. When not focusing on her family, Tammy enjoys working with the Mid-Atlantic Great Dane Rescue League. Director Nancy Varallo. The Varallo family, to me, is a very special family. I go way, way back with them in Philadelphia, and I'm so proud to be here to install Nancy. Nancy started working as a freelance reporter in 1979. She recently completed a 7-year term as an elected official in her hometown, serving as chair and member of the local school board. Nancy shares her life and love of travel with her husband, Ed Varallo, my dear buddy, while also enjoying her monthly book club and daily water aerobics class. And Mark Golden, Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer of Vienna, Virginia. Mark has been NCRA's Executive Director and CEO for over 11 years and supports the board in realizing its program of work involved in virtually every project the association undertakes. He recently completed a second tour of duty on the board of the American Society of Association Executives and as chairman of the board of the internationally focused Center for Association Leadership. When he isn't tending to NCRA duties, one of his main passions is opera, and he serves on several culture organization boards. Let's show them all our appreciation. Now it is my pleasure to install your new directors. Director Patricia Graves. Pat was a freelance reporter in Chicago and New York City for 14 years and has spent the last 21 years as a cart provider captioner. She is the proud mother of Matthew and Malia, ages 22 and 20. Pat met her husband when they were both 9 years old. She describes this love of her life as the kindest, funniest, and most brilliant man ever. Director Glenn Pogue. Mr. Texas. Glenn has been happily married to Marilyn for 39 years and has been blessed with a wonderful family. His son, Chris, is a court reporter for the United States District Court, Western District of Texas. Glenn's other son, Brett, is Deputy District Clerk with the Bexar County District Clerk's Office, and his daughter, Erin, is the Artist Coordinator with the Chicago Symphony Orchestra. He has been reporting since May 1972. Director Viola Zaborowski. Viola has been a certified shorthand reporter in the state of New Jersey since 1981. She has been working and/or teaching court reporters for the last 29 years. Her husband is Thomas F. Zaborowski, a certified trial attorney in the state of New Jersey. When she is not court reporting and/or teaching reporters on their CAT software, you can find her at the barn riding her horses, Picasso and Leonardo, or tending to her 4 Siberian show cats. You have been elected to serve on the Board of Directors for a period of 3 years, and I now declare you duly installed. Congratulations.